How to make natural lip oil for dry lips. This recipe uses 3 ingredients only. Let's have a look what they are and why we are using them. Castor oil is a rich source of fatty acids and helps hydrate the lips, stimulate the growth of healthy tissues, and making the lips supple and fresh. The waxy texture of jojoba oil forms a protective barrier over dry or chapped lips to lock in moisture and leave them feeling soft and smooth. Vitamin E is an outstanding moisturizer that restores skin hydration, keeping it soft and supple, ideal for dry and cracked lips. I'm gonna go ahead and measure out the 3 oils separately using a scale. You will find the exact recipe down in the description box below, along with all the links to all ingredients and tools that I am using or recommending. We will now combine all the oils in this measuring glass and then give it a good mix. This is an optional ingredient, but if you like, you could add some drops of an essential oil of your choice to this oil mixture. Just make sure you are using an essential oil that is lip safe. I'm using tangerine essential oil. Give it a good mix again and then pour into a roll-on bottle. The most difficult part of this project is to add the roll-on applicator to the bottle, really. But otherwise, here you have a very simple, yet amazing and completely natural lip oil that will make your lips smooth and soft. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're interested in more skincare DIY. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you very soon for another video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!